I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and tonight I've got another weeknight wonder for you. This is a potato dish. Actually, it's Hasselback potatoes. They're actually a garlic butter Hasselback potato. And I'll show you what that means. Hasselback potatoes, you take the potato and you slice it real thin all the way across, but not all the way through. And I'll show you what they look like, and I'll show you what we're going to throw together to put over them. Back potatoes. And you see how they're look kind of like accordions. They're sliced but not quite all the way through. So we're going to make our garlic butter mixture and then pour it over these. And I have parchment paper down. I do these on parchment paper. And that takes care of it helps for the roasting and also takes care of any mess. So for the garlic butter part, you need butter, quarter cup of butter melted, quarter to a half a cup of oil, minced garlic, and a fair amount, it calls for actually a quarter cup. And half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese and parsley and some salt and some pepper. And then some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to give this a mix around. Give it a good mix. There we go. So that's what we're going to put over our Hasselback potatoes. So now the trick, there's just no good way to do this. I like just smushing it right in there because you want the oil to get in the different pieces and the herbs to get in. Basically, and of course that's all going to melt and be nice and gooey. I know, looks messy, but it'll be worth it, I promise. Okay, here they are, all stuffed and set to go. I got it in between all the slices. As they cook, I'm going to put it in the oven at 375. Oh, my Hasselback potatoes are out. Oh, look at the goodness. Yeah, Bill Gotti would like those. All the cheesiness. So, you know what comes next? The taste test. Okay guys, you know what time it is. Taste test time on my Hasselback garlic butter potatoes. So there you can see the potato. You see all the yumminess down through the pieces here, through the slices. And I'm gonna take a taste. I love these. I mean, how can you not love it? It's garlic and butter and cheese, and how can you not like that? And parsley. Still hot. Oh my god. That's so good. That's really good. I'm telling you. You gotta try it. Those, I did those in the oven for about 40 minutes. But these are great, and if you're doing a dinner, you're having company over, these are really nice to do, even along with this chicken, as an easy meal to throw in the oven. It's not much prep time. Throw it in the oven, and when you come out, it looks like an elegant and nice dinner. And you really didn't spend much time on it, and it's absolutely delicious. So, that's my Hasselback potatoes. I paired this up with some succotash. And succotash is corn and lima beans or another shelled bean Sometimes some people put red or green bell peppers in. I don't. I just prefer butter and a little salt. This actually comes from Narragansett's, called Succotash, and turned into succotash. It was a great mix because you combined a grain with legumes, so it was really nutritional and had good value for the early peoples. And of course it took off when the settlers came, and they then started making it for things like celebratory dinners. And later it just got picked up, and then you started having the saying with suffering succotash. And I wondered where that came from, because how did this turn into suffering succotash? And somehow along the way, originally suffering savior was what the original saying was, and somewhere along the way it morphed into succotash. And so now you know the suffering succotash origination and the origination of succotash itself. By the way, it's one of my favorite things. So there's a little food trivia with you, along with the Hasselback potatoes. It's an easy dinner. It's really got lots of flavor. I hope you enjoy it and give it a try. If you liked what you saw here tonight, please like and subscribe, and join me here next time in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.